Hi everyone, it's me Sanchari and welcome back to my channel Simply Sanchari. Hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to share my top 12 makeup products that I have been using it continuously. Like every time I do my makeup, I pull off these brands and these makeup products, and it really keeps my makeup long lasting in hot and humid climate. So if you guys are also interested to know my favorites, then all you have to do is stay tuned till the end of this video.
First one is Milani SPF BBF Primer. This has SPF of 30 with broad spectrum UVA UVB protection. I have recently picked up this from Hawk Makeup during an offer and instantly fell in love with its texture and the formulation. It's absolutely moisturizing and lightweight, and I feel my base remains long lasting on top of this primer. It has SPF and it smells like SPF but does not give you that white cast. It's absolutely very lightweight, gets immediately meshed into the skin without giving you any kind of patchiness. It does not peel off. I haven't noticed anything of that sort, and I will highly recommend you trying this out. It retails for rupees 2200, but during an offer I picked up for rupees 615. So yes, I would highly recommend this for someone with dry skin. Next is this, my favorite Too Faced Born This Way multi sculpting concealer in the shade Warm Sand. Now because this is tad bit darker on my skin tone, so I use it for my color correction, and it nicely cancels out any kind of darkness, blemishes. It even hides my pimple marks, so wherever I require, I just spot conceal and then I go with any foundation or skin tint. And plus this gives you full coverage, so if you want to use it as your base makeup like your foundation or your skin tint, you can go ahead and do so. I really am enjoying this Too Faced products, you guys, and Too Faced products like the base products are worth the money. I think you should invest in one such concealer that is multi-use, and this is one of them. Next one is Jason Wu Tinted Moisturizer Meets CC Cream. It's exclusively available on Cult app, Cult with K and not with C. You get 12 to 15 shades, and my shade in this is 07, which I think is my perfect match. Whenever I want to do my makeup, I just pull this off, and this time I have been using it continuously. I have just left with this much amount. I have been loving it so much. It has runny consistency, gives you light to medium coverage, which I'm really happy with. I do not have to build it up because the coverage is really very beautiful. It's amazing, and it's very lightweight, very hydrating, gives you soft matte finish. But today on my Milani SPF BBF primer, this gives a very dewy effect, which I'm all for it. It does not give any kind of tight feeling or stretchiness. Everything on top of this foundation just goes on efficiently without any tugging or pulling or with no issues. And this retails for somewhere around 1350 or 1250. I will mention the exact pricing on the screen, but I've already done an in-depth review on this tinted moisturizer. If you guys are interested, please head on to my description box. And this, I have been using it continuously, you guys. Even if I go out to run some errands or if I'm attending any events, day makeup if I'm doing, I always reach out to this tinted moisturizer. Next is Swiss Beauty Select High On Cover Liquid Concealer. This is in the shade 2.5, and this is from their newest range, Swiss Beauty Select range. So this concealer, I have been loving it very much. After I have started using this, I do not reach to any other concealer. First thing first, the shade is very much lighter on my skin tone, but it doesn't look too bad, so I use it as my brightening concealer, and it is really very hydrating and lightweight. It doesn't crease whatsoever, and it doesn't settle in any of my fine lines. It gives you time to blend because it doesn't dry up too fast. If I want to make it to a full coverage, then I can keep it for some time and then blend it out, and it blends so beautifully. So it just blends like butter. There will be no streakiness whatsoever, and it does not even get patchy. And I have been using this continuously, and I'm loving it more than the Swiss Beauty Liquid Concealer, which is their OG concealer. Next, to set my face, I love using this NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop setting powder. This is in the shade Banana. Now let me tell you, this was available on Nykaa, but they have discontinued. I don't know why. It is still available in NYX NYX Cosmetics US website, but it is not available in India. I wonder why, because this is such a beautiful powder, you guys. It has little bit of that sheen going on, which I love the most because I do not like a complete matte face, and this gives some amount of radiance to the skin, which I absolutely love. It nicely sets your makeup, also you can bake with it, and it on that gives you that healthy looking radiance, which I'm all for it. It doesn't get patchy or cling to any of your texture. It does not exaggerate your texture, which I loved about this powders. I have recently started using it, and I wonder why I have not used it so far, but now when I started using it, I'm absolutely loving it, you guys. It does not have any fragrance whatsoever, very finely milled, and it just melts into your skin without giving you any kind of flashback or whatever it is. Next product is my absolute favorite, which you'll come to know very soon. Why is that? I'm talking about the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. This is in the shade Deep, and just look at it. I've started hitting to pan. This shows how much I love this product, you guys. The undertone is so beautiful. It is going to suit someone with NC42 skin, someone deeper than my skin tone, still have a shade for them, but I don't know why this product is not available in India, or they have discontinued, but Hawk does have, but the shade they have is not going to suit, and it's very warm. But this, I can use it as my bronzer or as my contour. It just melts into your skin, doesn't look patchy, or it does not cling onto your dry patches if you have any, and it just goes on smoothly like butter, as the name suggests. So I have always been loving it, and it is cult favorite, and it is mine favorite too. Next is Forever 52 Cream Contour. This is in the shade 02, which is the darkest shade. They just have two shades, one for lighter skin tone and one for dark and deepest skin tone. And I think they should extend the shade range because the formulation is really beautiful. It's very lightweight, blends like a dream, highly pigmented. So you really have to be careful while working with this kind of product, because these are meant for your professional use. I love everything about this product, but I do not love the packaging. Just look at it, how messy it is. It has this locking system which doesn't work for me, plus it comes with this kind of sponge tip applicator which holds a lot of product. So if you are not comfortable, directly applying it, I would always suggest that take some amount on the back of your hand or onto a makeup palette and start using it, because the most of product is gathered into the sponge and then it can get messy. So I would have preferred if they come up with different packaging, because you waste a lot of product in this kind of packaging. Otherwise the product is chef's kiss, you guys. I really love it, and I have already done an in-depth review. If you guys are interested, please head on to my description box. Next one is Inside Cosmetics Cheek Tint Blush, which comes under rupees 150, and if you want your blush to be extremely long wearing for 8 to 10 hours, you can try using this, you guys. I have been using it continuously since the time I bought it, and this has been my favorite. It has a gel-like consistency, absolutely lightweight, blends like a dream, does not cling onto your dry patches or accentuate your texture, plus it is going to suit each and every skin type, and this particular shade is going to suit someone with medium to dark skin tone. And this I really like to wear when I want my makeup or my blush to be extremely long wearing. I have used it on my bare skin also, and looks really very beautiful. So yes, you can give it a try. And whatever product I am sharing in today's video, I have used it for creating this makeup look, because whenever I go out for any events or any function, I use those products which I know I'm confident about, and it is not going to give me hard time. So I always reach out to these products because I know they are going to work better on me. Next one is Mars I Belong in Your Purse Cheek Palette in the shade 03. I have been always recommending this product, you guys, because you get 3 in 1, and if you are traveling a lot, you can carry just this one palette. It is going to serve all the purpose. You can see I've started hitting pan on the bronzer and the highlighter. It is one of my favorite, because whenever I do my makeup, I just sit with this, and wherever I travel, I take it along. So yes, the all these three products are really very pigmented. You just need very tiny amount. This highlighter is one of my favorite. I always use it, and it does not contain any chunky shimmer particle. It gives you a very beautiful highlighted look, which I'm all for it. And this bronzer is warm, but it has a right undertone, and this blush is, oh my god, it's very pigmented. So yes, I think it's not available, if I'm not wrong, because Mars have discontinued this product. I'll have to check. I sometimes see it, sometimes I don't see it, so it's all depends. But still, I've still got this palette, and I really want Mars to come back with this. It was a hit product, you guys, according to me. Next is Milani Make It Last Makeup Setting Spray. This is a 3-in-1 because you can prime, set and fix your makeup. It is a 60 ml bottle which is going to give you 16 hours of long wearing makeup, which I totally agree, because at least it kept my makeup lasted for 10 hours. And this gives you a very natural finish. It just melts down everything, like every powderiness on your face, and gives you a very natural looking skin. It doesn't look too matte or too dewy, which I love it. And it's very lightweight, very hydrating, you guys. And this is 60 ml quantity. I wish they had in bigger quantity, because that would have been really very easy that way and very economical that way. But I really have to get a backup of this, because you can see I have very little amount left, and it's one of my favorite. If you cannot afford the Charlotte Tilbury airbrush flawless setting spray, you can try using this. And the next product is Wet n Wild Color Icon Blush in the shade Mellow Wine. This has to be a cult favorite product, and it's always my favorite, you guys. I got a new one for me because the old one has already expired, and this is going to suit each and every skin tones. Whatever skin tone you are, it is going to suit very well. This is a very beautiful rosy mauve kind of shade, and it's a matte blush, but it's not overly matte. It is very beautiful soft matte kind of blush, very smooth to touch and extremely pigmented. So you have to be careful while using this kind of blush. You just need to start with little amount, just dust off the excess, or take and or rub it on the back of your hand and then apply it, because if you directly apply this, it's going to ruin your entire makeup. You can have a clown like face, which is not good. So yes, I absolutely love this blush, and this has to be my favorite. If I don't have any blush in the world, I can just work with this blush. It is going to last me for ages. Next and the last one is my current obsession. It's NYX Shine Loud High Shine Lipstick, and this is currently available on Nykaa. They have recently launched, and I'm really obsessing over this lipstick because whatever they have claimed, it is standing up to its expectation. Now you get a gloss or the sealer that is going to seal the pigment on one end and the pigment on other end. You get total of 3.6 ml of product, which I think is going to last pretty well. You cannot use the pigment on its own because it will feel very sticky and your lips is going to stick to each other. So definitely you will have to seal it with this gloss, because this is kind of sealer that is going to make your pigment or this lipstick extremely long wearing. It doesn't come off even if you're eating any oily meals, because I have done a complete wear test with this lipstick and it really stood out to it. The glossy part, it gives you high shine gloss when you initially apply it, but the glossiness diminishes with time and you have a very sheer kind of gloss going on, which gives you a very beautiful moisturized and little bit of shine going on. Sometimes it feels heavy, sometimes it doesn't feel heavy. It all depends upon how actually I prep and prime my lips. So you really have to prep and prime and exfoliate your lips before using this lipstick, and this formulation doesn't come off easily with any micellar water or wet wipe. You will have to need a good oil based cleanser to remove this lipstick, and once it comes off, it comes off really very easily. You will have no issues whatsoever. And if you're interested in the complete in-depth review with wear test and everything, please head on to my channel. Also, I'll try and mention the link over here on the card section. Alright you guys, so this wraps my today's video. Hope you found the content helpful and informative. If you did, please take a moment to like, share, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell button. You can also follow me on my social handles whose link I have mentioned it in the description box. Please come and say hi, and I will see you soon with my next one. Till then, bye bye. Take care.